Hi everyone, this is going to be a fast tutorial about Anki, and in particular one of the first resources I have uploaded for you to use. In a message in Edmodo in the dashboard you are going to see a link to the website of Anki and also an APKG file. Okay, you have to open the link first, which will bring you to the Anki website. On the Anki website, you have to go to Anki Web. That's the first thing you have to do. And you have to sign up for Anki and create an account. Okay? Once you have an account, we can go back and go to the download link. Okay? Will bring you here and you have to select your system, either Windows, Mac or Linux. Okay, once you click here, it will download the program as any other program. Okay, and now let's go to the interesting part. Once you download the program, you will see something like this. The first thing you have to do is to click on this button, synchronize. This button will take you to a little window where it will ask you to log in with the credentials we have created before. Okay, once you are set up in this way, you can go to Edmodo again and download this file, APKG. Once you download this file, you will have it whenever you save it, wherever you save it. I have it here in documents, and the only thing you have to do is double click. Okay, once you double click on it, it will start importing to Anki automatically. You don't have to do anything else. Now let's go to the important thing of the tutorial. Once you have this vocabulary, okay, what you need to do is to click on it. It will take you to this page where it says the new cards you have to study, the cards you're learning, and the cards you have to review. But the important thing is, well, first I'm going to show you what the cards are having working on look like, okay? You have first the front of the card where you are going to see an image of the word I want you to know in Spanish. Okay, as you can see, you have here what is called a hint in Anki. Okay, you have the option of being shown the the translation in English of the word, but this is only an option. You have to avoid as hard as possible to use translations. You have to try to know the word in Spanish with the image. Okay, now we click space to see the answer to the question. The word for this image is uniforme. Here you see the gender of the word, masculino, and you see here the grammatical category. And here's an important thing. If you remember the word but you don't know exactly what it is, you have here a link, definition, to the dictionary of the Real Academia, which will automatically give you a definition. One important thing to know when you do your own cards: the word cannot use capital letters. It has to be in normal letters, okay? And also, if you use a word like corriendo instead of correr, the infinitive, you wouldn't get the definition either. Another thing is a link to word reference, okay? Will automatically take you to word reference where you can see translations of the word and also definitions. Okay, now here is the important thing, the essential thing I want you to know and to do. I only have a couple of cards here. The important thing is what it's built inside those cards. You have to make your own cards. For that, you have to click on Add, Añadir on the top once you are in the deck. Sorry. You have to make sure that you have on the type you have selected vocabulario, vocabulario, right? And on the deck or mazo, you have vocabulario too. Now, what are all these fields? Here, ID is just simply a number to organize your cards. It's important that you don't duplicate this field. Every card has to have its own ID, okay? Then, palabra de ejemplo is the word we want to learn, right? Like we want to learn the word casa. Traducción en inglés is you need to put the word in English. Again, remember to don't capitalize words to get the definitions. And then you have to put an image here. A shortcut to do is to press F3 on Windows. It will take you automatically to your file explorer. You can put cat. It's not a house, but it will work. Okay, then you have to put categoría gramatical. Okay, important thing to know: the only essential or uh, mandatory things to put in the card in order to work is the ID, the palabra con ejemplo, and the image. That's the only essential thing. Now it will be cool if you can add the categoría gramatical, the sustantivo, and the gender, the género. Casa es femenino, right? And for the grabación, I'm going to do another video. That's a recording. I'm going to do another video to explain what to do with this. And that's all you need. That's all you have to do. Okay? You put the word we're trying to learn, the word in English, and an image. The image is important. Please take the time to look for an image. You can also copy and paste the image, right? You can copy an image in Google Images and then just paste the picture. So it's very easy. And then you click add. And that's all. I don't need you to touch anything else in this program because it can be confusing. Okay? And as I said, the cards will look like this. Okay? And then you have to say again good or easy, depending on the level of difficulty you had answering. If you don't know the answer, you have to say again. If you know it, you say good. And if you don't, if you know it too easily, you say, "Well, that's too easy for me." You say easy, okay? And that's all. You can see here another one. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you make use of the resource. There is a lot of work behind this, and I'm certain 100% that you can use it and make a lot from it. It's a very powerful tool. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.